have a warm welcome to Whisky.com, where fine spirits meet. My name is Lüning, Horst Lüning. I'm the senior taster of Whisky.com, and today we have another bottle from the independent bottler Elixir. It's called Elements of Islay. That's the series, and the name is Beach Bonfire. It's 54.4 ABV, unchill filtered, uncolored, and has a price tag at Whisky.com at €78.90, and probably due to the higher alcohol content a little bit more in, outside Germany, where we are located. Yeah, the Bonfire is a homage to the feeling you have sitting on the beach and having a bonfire there and have this lightly smoky spray around you. And this is a blended malt, so it's a composition, an artisanal composition of different malts from the Isle of Islay, and they do not tell which, and there's no age statement on it, but it's a work to combine fresh oak, refill oak casks, ex-bourbon cask, as well as sherry casks, and it's uncolored, as I said, unchill filtered, and have a look at this wonderful brown color. So there is a wonderful mixture of casks in this blended malt whiskey. And blended malt whiskey means that those whiskeys are all malt whiskeys from those malt whiskey distilleries on Islay, and they are blended together so that you can't tell or it's a mixture so that you can't have a single distillery to this used malt. So it's called a blended malt. What a speech. So here we go. Elixir is a independent bottler which bought a distillery for itself. And this is the Tormore Distillery in the Highlands, in the Space side in particular. And they are used to doing blends, have a wide range of blended malt whiskies. And this is I think one of the famous ones from Islay, because everybody looks after Islay and all those smoky whiskies. And here we are. An intense herbal aroma combined with a big smokiness and some glowing wood on the beach, delivering a light smoky aroma. Alcohol is quite intense. It's 54.4. You're able to smell that. And in the back now, there are sherry notes arising, dark fruits. A mixture between smokiness, lightly sweetness, fruitiness. So very friendly to your nose. And it's not this stinky phenolic note, this hospital disinfection note. No, this is a welcoming bonfire smoke. So as you can hear with my talking, I'm not a fan of this extreme peatiness. Well, it depends. There are whiskies out there which I like very, very much with this extreme peatiness. And this is just lovely and intense. Cheers. I added quite a bit of water, but it's still strong. So I'm down to 45 something, and fire and power and cask spiciness is in this whiskey. Intense, and now the smokiness is clearing my mouth. The spiciness, the herbal spiciness in the aftertaste is long, with a light, fresh tickling on the tip of my tongue, Yeah. This is a good cask selection and delivers an intense, well, probably young whiskey, but young, smoky whiskey. You can't feel that it's young because the smokiness lies on top of any youthness, which might be in the, well, in the whiskey, in the raw whiskey itself. So it is, as it should be, intense, smoky, and, well, a lot of aroma in it. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.